Hello, I'm Seba, one of the many caretakers of the Maya forests. Have you ever gone birdwatching? It's an unforgettable experience filled with colors and sounds. Today, I invite you to discover together some of the most iconic birds of the Yucatan Peninsula. Grab your binoculars and follow me. Let's start near the city, since there are birds that can even be found close to human settlements. The first one we spot is the great kiskadee. Its name comes from the fact that it often perches in easy-to-see places, and it has a distinctive, loud, and long call. There's also the common kiskadee and the thick-billed flycatcher. Next, we come across the Yucatecan jay. These birds are incredible, with bright blue wings and the rest of the body black. A fun fact, white ones are juveniles, and those with yellow beaks are young birds almost fully grown. The oriole, known to the Maya as yuya, hangs upside down from chaca trees to eat the insects attracted by the sweet smell of the tree's fruits. They're easy to recognize thanks to their bright yellow bodies and black wings. Among the garden flowers, you can frequently spot the cinnamon-bellied hummingbird, recognizable by its brownish chest and a red bill tipped with black. This hummingbird is territorial and will fight off anyone who approaches its tree, chasing and scolding them until they leave. Nearby, we find a chachalaca. They are the loudest birds around and almost always travel in groups. Their call sounds like they're saying, "No hay cacao, no hay cacao." Now it's time to venture into the forest. If you hear a peculiar two, 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 that sound belongs to the famous tow bird or blue-crowned motmot, with its long, thin tail that swings rhythmically like the pendulum of a wall clock. Look to your right. Do you see that tiny owl with huge eyes staring at you? That's the ferruginous pygmy owl, also known as viejita, little old lady. This small bird has a circular pattern on its back that tricks predators into thinking they are its eyes. Do you hear that tapping sound, like someone knocking on a door? If you follow it, you might find the Yucatecan woodpecker, or chayam. This small woodpecker clings to the trunk with its feet and pecks continuously and forcefully. It's incredibly persistent in its search for termites and other insects in the wood, leaving large holes behind. One of the most breathtaking sights is the painted bunting. The male has a blue head, red chest, and yellow-green wings, while the female is olive green. Sadly, this species is a victim of illegal poaching, trapped and sold as pets. For this reason, the painted bunting is listed under the Mexican official standard NOM 059 as a species under special protection, classified as nearly threatened. Other species under NOM 509 and protected by the LGEPA include cardinals, which suffer the same fate, captured illegally and sold to spend their lives inside cages. People should plant bird-friendly vegetation near their homes, plants that provide food and shelter, so they can enjoy these birds freely from their windows, not illegally behind bars. By promoting birdwatching and sustainable tourism, we can help protect these species and their habitats. Birds play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Let's enjoy their beauty in nature and help ensure a future where their songs continue to fill our lives and cities.